Farming is important. It gives us food, it gives us clothes. Almost everything we use comes from farms. Without farms, we wouldn't have enough to eat. We wouldn't have many of the things we need. Farming is hard work, but it's rewarding. It teaches us about nature, it teaches us about patience. Most importantly, it allows us to grow our food. Farming is for everyone. You can grow food in your backyard. You can grow food in pots on your balcony. Even a small garden can make a difference. Let's learn about farming together. Before we plant, we need to get the land ready. This is called preparing the soil. First, we remove any weeds or rocks. Weeds take nutrients away from our plants. Next, we loosen the soil. This helps the roots grow strong. We can use a shovel or a garden fork. Some farmers use tractors to prepare the land. Adding compost makes the soil rich. Compost is like food for plants. It helps them grow big and healthy. Now the soil is ready for planting. Seeds are amazing. Each tiny seed can grow into a plant. Some seeds are small like pepper seeds. Some seeds are big like bean seeds. We need to plant the seeds at the right depth. Some seeds like to be close to the surface, others need to be planted deeper. We can use our fingers or a small trowel to make a hole. Then we drop in the seed and cover it with soil. Finally, we water the seeds gently. Now we wait for them to sprout. Plants need sunshine to grow. Sunshine gives them energy to make food. This process is called photosynthesis. Plants also need water. Water helps them stay hydrated. It helps them transport nutrients from the soil to their leaves and fruits. We need to water our plants regularly, especially when it's hot and dry. But be careful not to overwater them. Too much water can be harmful. Section 5. Taking care of plants, helping them grow strong. As our plants grow, we need to take care of them. We need to keep the soil moist. We can water the plants using a watering can or a hose. We also need to protect our plants from pests. Pests are insects or animals that eat plants. We can use natural methods like companion planting. Some plants keep pests away from other plants. Weeding is also important. Weeds can choke out our plants and steal their nutrients. We can remove weeds by hand or with a hoe. Section 6. From field to table. Harvesting time. Harvesting is the best part of farming. It's when we get to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Different crops are harvested at different times. Some crops, like lettuce, are ready to harvest in a few weeks. Other crops, like pumpkins, take months to grow. We need to know when to harvest each crop. Once the crops are harvested, we can wash them and eat them fresh. We can also preserve them by canning, freezing, or drying. Section 7. Different crops, different uses. Variety is the spice of life. There are so many different types of crops. Some crops, like wheat and rice, are grains. Grains are used to make bread, pasta, and cereal. Other crops, like fruits and vegetables, are full of vitamins and minerals. They keep us healthy and strong. Root vegetables grow underground. They include carrots, potatoes, and onions. Some crops, like cotton, are used to make clothes. Others, like soybeans, are used to make animal feed and other products. Section 8. Farming's benefits. Good for us, good for the planet. Farming is not only good for us, but it's also good for the planet. When we grow our own food, we reduce pollution from transportation. Farming also helps fight climate change. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This helps clean the air. Supporting local farms helps our communities. It creates jobs and keeps money in the local economy. Buying local food also reduces our carbon footprint. Section 9. Farming fun facts. Did you know? Did you know that farming has been around for over 10,000 years? That's a really long time. People used to plant seeds by hand. Now we have machines to help us. Did you know that corn was first grown in Mexico? Now it's grown all over the world. It's a very important crop for food and other products. Farming is full of fascinating facts. Start learning and exploring the world of agriculture. You might be surprised by what you discover. Start small, be patient, and enjoy the journey of growing your own food.